Hi, I'm Don with Aerial Imaging Services of Maine. We're here today to talk about drone safety checks. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is talk about checking is our drone battery check. As you can see today, here's the Skydio 2. This is a pretty cool little battery. Basically what you got to do is push the button and see if you have any lights lighting up. And we can see that we're about half of what is needed to fly. And make sure this is your SD card is in there. It's pretty hard to see, but it's a little tiny SD card inside. And make sure your battery pops in, and then check out and inspect any damage to your props. Clean any debris from inside the connection of the battery. Also spin your props. Make sure that they're all easy to spin and don't have any dirt or debris in them. Visually check your aircraft for any small nicks or damage to the props. Also make sure that your firmware has been updated recently, and don't do that the day before. You might want to think about doing that a couple of days prior to, in case you have any issues with the update. That was today's safety tip. Thank you and good flying.